Hello po, good day po. Ito po yung marketplace ng Alberto Quigaraw branch. Total marketplace listing is 4. Total active is 982. Estimate inquiry per day is 4. This week inquiry converted to sales is 9,869 with 5 transactions. Ang top 3 listing ko naman po ay ito po yung una, National Women's Month 2024 colored with 8 inquiry received. Total transaction is 2. Total amount is 4,560. Yung pangalawa ko naman pong listing ko, ito pong t-shirt full bead sabli, printing for uniforms. Inquiry received is 4. Total transaction is 1. Ang total amount niya po is 3,250. Yung pangatlo ko naman po, ito pong direct manufacturer unisex plain dry fit shirt. Inquiry received po is 5. Total transaction is 2 with total amount of 2,059. Lahat po ng customer na to is nag-walk-in po. Yung listing need to revise naman po is wala naman po, pero yung sa cover po is papalitan ko po yung iba. Then na-post ko po, ito po yung na-post ko this week is 10. May 12 pa po akong kulang sa listing ko. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.